Hi guys! We're here at Sagada and it's dinner time. Try naman namin ang Sagada Happy House Restaurant. Make sure to plan kung saan kayo kakain dahil mostly crowded na kapag dinner time. We waited mga 10 to 15 minutes bago pa kami nakakuha ng table. Makikita nyo naman, sobrang daming tao this time. Let's check their menu. Isa rin sila sa restaurant nagsiserve na all-day breakfast. Make sure to try their homemade yogurt. Sobrang sarap nito. We ordered pancit bihon, grilled pork, and syempre kailangan try natin ang pinikpikan. Ganito ang itsura ng pinikpikan. Para siyang nilaga na manok pero dark yung skin ng chicken. Kain muna kami. Till next time!